Today we're going to do some free painting. So we're going to be using our liquid tempera paints. So they're all ready. You can see they're already liquid. We don't have to add water to them like our tempera block paints. The first thing, put your name on your paper and your class, whatever that might be. Some people like to just jump right in and start painting. I think I'm going to draw my picture. I think I'm going to make a silly bird. With a crazy tail. Okay, so I can add some more details as I go, but I think I'm going to start with this. So remember, we have a big brush for big areas and a small brush for small areas. So I'm going to start out making my bird a red bird. So anytime, again, remember I'm going to switch colors, so I'm going to rinse my brush. Make sure I don't see any paint on there, and then I'm going to gently dab it on my paper towel to get the dirty water out. I don't want to tap it. It gets very noisy when all of our kids are tapping. Now, because I'm going to paint the wing, I'm going to switch to a little bit smaller brush. And I think I'm going to do a purple wing because that'll stand out nice on the red. Again, since my brush is now has purple paint on it and red paint, I'm not going to put it back into my color until I rinse it. But I think I want to put a little more purple on top of that. So I'm going to rinse my brush again. Make sure it's nice and clean. Lay it on my paper towel, dab it, and then pick up a little more purple and swipe. And then I can add some more details on that, but you can start to see I made a little bit thicker line there with that fresh purple so it stands out. I'm going to rinse my brush. Now you'll notice, now I have a clean brush, you'll notice that there's a little bit of another color in my orange. I'm just going to stay away from that. So I'll just dip right in the orange. If I swirl my brush around in there, I'm going to get too much paint and I'm going to get that dirty color mixed into my other colors, into my nice orange. I'm going to just, now I'm painting something little, I'm going to hold close to the end and fill in. And I just use the tip of my paintbrush to paint that. Because I didn't mix the colors, I can go get some more paint. Oh, I got an idea. I think even with my detail brush, so this is an even smaller detail brush, I'm going to get a little yellow and do some lines. Got orange mixed in, so I got a clean brush and do a little yellow to make those lines. And rinse my brush. Paint a little bit more in here. My lights out. So you can keep on going to paint in some more details. Make sure that you rinse your brushes at the end and that you put your paper on the drying rack.